Let's walk through starting a broadcast. Go to Admin Controls, then Change Modes, and click Start a Broadcast. Now let's look at the Stream Provider option. If you want a traditional broadcast experience where you share your screen and use backstage features, select Gatherly. If you want to stream a movie or a live video, choose External Live Stream. This opens options like YouTube, Vimeo, Twitch, or a custom URL. Below that, you'll find Broadcast To. Choose between broadcasting to the current floor or the entire event. Note that choosing to broadcast to the event will temporarily disable the elevators. These options change slightly depending on whether you're alone or in a huddle. When broadcasting alone, select your stream provider. Decide where to broadcast to. If you're in a huddle, you'll see an option to broadcast your huddle. You can move people to the main stage where they're seen and heard, or to the backstage where they're hidden but still see speaker messages. If you want to record your broadcast, make sure the record broadcast toggle is set to yes. When you click Start, a countdown timer will appear as a banner at the top. This shows when your broadcast will begin. You can cancel the broadcast while the timer is running by clicking Cancel on the right side of the red bar. If you're speaking, you'll see two chat tabs. Use Speaker Chat to talk with co-presenters in the backstage. Use Audience Chat to interact with attendees.